The woman of worth to me is every woman who's aware that we have that word, that we matter. Okay, I'll start with my discipline style. Kasi nung dalawa pa kami nung late husband ko, nag-division of labor kami. Kasi siya yung consentidor, ako yung disciplinarian. So, pag kailangan, he would be the good cop and I would be the bad cop. So, syempre, mahirap gawin pag solo parent ka. And pag sinubukan mong pagsama yung good cop and bad cop, syempre, lalo na in the eyes of your children, ang mangingibabaw ay yung bad cop. But as part of that, my parenting style has been, I think, I've tried, hindi lagi nagsasucceed, I try to love each child equally, just differently, kasi each of them's a different person. I tried to communicate with them all their lives and to be open and welcoming and inviting without me imposing sa kanilang communication sa akin. And basically just try to be present. Dami ko pa rin na-miss, I realize. Dami ring missteps. But I have tried and I will keep on trying to be present in the different ways they need it. Kasi habang nag-iiba rin yung edad nila, syempre, nag-iiba rin yung kung paano nila ako kailangan or di na kailangan. A lot of times, I question kung enough yung pag-parent ko. Kasi kahit pag-couple kayo, challenge na, di ba? And we were 2 parents to 4 children. So, nung naging solo mama ko, mas grabe pa yung fraction, di ba? Naging 1:4. Isa lang akong tao and walang ka good cop, bad cop. Walang ka exchange ng opinion or approach. There have been many times I have questioned. Until now. And kahit mahirap, minsan inisip ko, maybe that's good. Kasi as parents or even as any people in any relationship, palagay ko especially with our children, it's always good to be on our toes, diba? Kasi di lang naman tayo, pati sila laging nagbabago. And to be in relationship with them means we have to pay attention and also be, reveal to them paano din ako nagbabago bilang tao. Oh my, very much so. Every moment, conscious ako na babae ako and it's for a reason and para dahil yung karanasan natin mga babae, yung panalaw natin, yung pakiramdam natin, pati sa ganyang mga policy and legislative questions, definitely. So, bilang ina, bilang solo parent, bilang magiging senior, bilang dating youth and student, dami. I think, yes, definitely I bring all of that to my legislative work. The woman of worth to me is every woman who's aware that we have that word, that we matter. We have the dignity given by God or the universe. We have the rights as Filipinos. We have privilege and the responsibility of being human among so many species on this planet. And being a Filipino woman is also a source of particular pride. So for me, the woman of worth is lahat ng yaman na baon natin sa ating katawan, sa ating puso, sa ating isipan, sa ating kaluluwa. At inaalagaan natin ito, itong mahalagang ito. At inaalay natin, ini-invest natin sa mga bagay na kapaki-pakinabang. Yan ang tala ng worth natin.